Where and why should I post video content in 2023? Tips and tricks. Video content has become the go-to medium for many users. By creating video content tailored to the right audiences and platforms, you can maximize its potential to reach diverse viewers. This presents an exciting opportunity for you to create eye-catching content that captivates viewers and keeps them engaged. Video content is the perfect medium for storytelling and creating genuine connections with your audience. The top social media platforms for video content in 2023 include YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. As the undisputed leader in video content, YouTube boasts a staggering 35% of consumers watching videos on its platform. Known for its addictive short-form video format, TikTok allows creators to record multiple shots, add soundtracks, and follow popular trends. The visually driven platform Instagram is perfect for showcasing your brand's personality and creativity through captivating video content. As a professional network, LinkedIn offers a unique opportunity to reach your target audience in a more business-focused context. While primarily known for its text-based content, Twitter offers a unique opportunity to share video content in a fast-paced, real-time environment. Short-form videos are ideal for presenting information quickly and engagingly in less than a minute. On the other hand, long-form videos offer a more in-depth exploration of a topic and are ideal for educational purposes. Live streaming is an excellent way to broadcast conversations, webinars, Q&As, and other virtual events in real time. Platforms such as Facebook Live, Instagram Live, YouTube Live, and LinkedIn Live are perfect for hosting live video content. Interactive and shoppable videos are a game-changer in the world of video marketing. They enable viewers to engage with the content and purchase products directly from the video. Partnering with influential people in your industry can lead to reaching a wider audience and showcase your brand in a relatable way. To motivate user-generated content, offer exciting incentives for customers who create content for your brand. To optimize your video content for maximum reach and engagement, focus on SEO and keyword optimization. Including a call to action in your video content is a must-have, as it provides your audience with a tangible next step after viewing the video. By monitoring views, likes, shares, comments, and conversions, you can gain valuable insights into how your content is performing. By understanding the top social media platforms for video content, you can harness the power of video marketing to drive success. Don't miss out on the incredible opportunities that video content offers, and start revolutionizing your marketing strategy today.